Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block someone on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tinder. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Tinder has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to block someone, first of all, what you have to do is go to their profile. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find profile of various people over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the arrow icon. Simply tap on this arrow icon. Now after that, you'll be led to their profile. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find various options over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for share, block, report. Simply tap on the option block. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You won't be able to undo this. Are you sure you want to continue? So simply tap on this option, yes, block. Now you can see over here this profile has been blocked. Tap on this option, thanks, I'm done. So like this you'll be able to block someone on Tinder. So that is how you block someone on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.